This is Lea Deutsch. She was born in Zagreb in 1927. Her father was a lawyer, her mother a pianist. The family apartment, tidy, cultured, a little too quiet. At 5, she walked on theater stage. At 7, she was famous. At 10, she was the brightest light in the city. They called her the Croatian Shirley Temple. Curly hair, wide smile, a voice that carried. Tickets sold out. Audiences adored her. But Leah was Jewish, and the world was changing. By 1941, laws forbade her from the stage. The theater doors closed. Posters disappeared. Her name was erased. Leah was still a child. She practiced lines at home. She sang to her family. The applause was gone. In 1943, she was deported. The train was overcrowded, airless, cruel. Leah never made it to Auschwitz. She died on the way. She was 15. There was no curtain call, just silence. Today, a Stolperstein lies in front of her old home on Gundulicheva Street. Sometimes that is how the world remembers a child who loved the stage.